In this video, I'm going to walk you through my personal trading journal, the exact columns I use for every trade, and why each one matters. Journaling is the number one thing that's helped me level up as a trader. So if you want to improve your process or just get started tracking your own trades, stick around. This is the Excel sheet I use for journaling my trades. Let's break down each column. Serial number. Let's talk about it at the end. Date. This is when I took the trade. Logging the date helps me see patterns, like which days I perform best or if certain times are tricky for me. Time. I write the specific time the trade was opened. This lets me notice if I'm making better decisions at certain times of day or if I'm more emotional at others. Also helps me know the market more, as in which session does the price follow our strategy better? Till now I have observed that our strategy works best in London and New York session. Chart. Here I mentioned the exact stock forex pair or instrument I traded. Detailed charts make it easier to review and learn from past setups. R as in risk to reward ratio. This shows how much I was willing to risk versus my potential reward. For example, an RR of 1 is to 2 means risking $100 to potentially make $200. Knowing this helps me judge if my trades are worth taking in the first place. P and L amount. This is the profit or loss from each trade. It's the most basic metric, but it keeps things honest and helps me remember that losses are part of the journey. Remark. After each trade, I jot down what worked, what didn't, or anything I noticed. Maybe I broke my rules, or maybe I handled emotions well. This column is all about learning. Weekly remark. At the end of the week, I review all my trades together and write a summary. Did I stick to my plan? Did I notice any repeating mistakes? This step is huge for spotting habits and celebrating progress. Now back to serial number column. I give number to each live trade. For example, here I have added number, and in second sheet I have added screenshot of same trade with numbering. And here we'll get both 15-minute and 1-minute chart view of the trade that I had taken. This helps a lot while reviewing, to know what went wrong or what's working best for me, and to recognize if there are repeated mistakes made. I add same screenshots of my live trades, in YouTube shots daily as well. So yeah, that's it. Keeping a detailed trading journal might sound like extra work, but these columns are like a mirror. They show you what's really happening, not just what you remember. Over time, they help you find your edge, avoid repeating mistakes, and become a much more consistent trader. I hope this helps you build your own journal and pushes you a step closer to your trading goals. Happy trading!